What will we do in the spiritual world? It depends on what level we might enter and belong to in the spiritual world. The higher realms of the spirit world are really heaven and the kingdom of heaven, a world of fun and entertainment. People do things they like in the latter. It is the kingdom that belongs exclusively to God, where Lucidero and Adam and Eve were cast out, the Garden of Eden. Only people who have received the blessing in marriage from God that takes away the original sin, upon the return of the Lord of the Second Advent, God's blessing through the returning Messiah, will be able to enter here. The kingdom of heaven is inhabited by people who have the same spiritual blood and level of heart and love as God. It is a world of joyful activities. The skills, interests, and abilities developed on earth can be reflected in the roles chosen in eternity. Each of us will contribute uniquely to the goodness and beauty of our own realm. In addition, the spirit world is said to be vast and transcendently beautiful. Those who reside in the higher realms are able to travel to its vast dimensions. The quality of life in the spirit world at any level is directly influenced by heart, love, life, and activities on earth. Since love is supreme, there will be no shortage of opportunities to practice it. The means for spiritual growth is the dynamic of love, which consists of serving. Relationships are therefore very important. In the level where we will be destined, people with our kind of heart and love will dwell. That's why it's important to develop spiritually with God at the highest level on earth, because, if we would have lived wickedly, the people in our level will be exactly as wicked as we are. And that will be the real hell. Here on earth good and evil people live together, mixed because Satan created a world as he wanted, but in the spiritual world the spiritual levels are all inhabited by only totally good or only totally evil people.